Hey there everyone, so as you can see on Atome, I'm going to show you how to pay your Atome installment using BPI via bank transfer. So if this video will help you, please don't forget to leave a like. Now let's get started. Alright, so first open your Atome app and go to the Bills tab. And after that, tap Pay Now next to your Atome Card or installment. Alright, so here, choose bank transfer as your payment method. You will be shown Atome bank details, video account number, and account name, etc. And now open your BPI app, and then after that, just tap Transfer Money. Then choose BDO or the bank Atome give you. Just enter the exact payment details, account name, account number, and amount you want. And after that, just confirm a payment and take a screenshot or save the reference number just in case. Alright, so after that, go back to the Atome app and tap I have paid or confirm your payment. So that's it. Wait a few minutes for the payment to reflect on your Atome, and that's how you pay your Atome bill using BPI bank transfer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.